Feeling hesitant to send your coaching link to someone who wants to work with you isn't a confidence problem. It's usually a systems problem that's hiding behind the scenes. So, first, I want you to know that this is totally normal. A lot of coaches feel this way. They kind of get that pit in their stomach when a new client wants to work with them. And what I've noticed is that this isn't an indication that you're a bad coach. It's really an indication that you're not confident with the system that you've built behind the scenes. I'm going to share a few things that might be causing that feeling and how small back end shifts can change it. So, one thing that might be causing you to feel this way is that the experience or the onboarding that you're providing feels scattered. So if you're sending multiple links, if you have unclear next steps, or you have a lot of manual follow-ups that's creating friction, this is a reason why you might not want to be sending that link over. And so you're subconsciously actually blocking clients from wanting to work with you. And like I said, this even happens with amazing coaches. You can start to feel unprofessional when this process isn't clear. And so I don't want this for you because you end up second guessing yourself every time someone reaches out to work with you. Another thing that might be causing this issue is that clients mirror the energy of your systems. So when your onboarding feels calm and structured, your confidence is naturally going to increase. You're going to look super professional, and that's because professionalism actually comes from being predictable. Not perfect, just predictable. So, what I mean by that is if I'm a client and I reach out to you to see how to get started working with you and becoming your client, but then I'm met with a bunch of roadblocks, such as not knowing what to do next, not knowing where to go to pay you, not knowing how to sign your contract, your calendar not showing any availability. All of those things indicate that your system is not where it needs to be and it's causing a bunch of friction. So I'm probably just going to move on to the next coach. So again, having a system in place doesn't mean you're perfect, but it does mean that your system is predictable, meaning I can come to you, I can my payment to you, I can sign the contract, I can book my first session with you, no issues. Now, if you want my help setting up an automated client onboarding system inside of Paperbell so that sending your links actually feels simple and professional, check out my mini course called Booked and Automated. It's $27 and it's linked below this video. But before you go, let me tell you one last thing that might be affecting your confidence in sending your links over. So, the last thing I've noticed is simplicity reduces emotional weight. You may be feeling like you need more tools or prettier, more aesthetic branding. But I'm telling you, the fewer steps you have in your backend system and the clearer that they are, that is what's going to create the biggest confidence shift for you. So if you are feeling that current hesitation to send a link when someone reaches out to you, if you have a simple system in place, it's really going to remove that emotional anxiety that you get. And so you're going to end up feeling calm instead of overwhelmed. You're not supposed to be feeling anxious and riddled with anxiety every time someone wants to work with you. It's supposed to be exciting. So when your back end is calm and automated, it's going to start feeling so much better to get your offers out there and to start selling. Because now you have a back end that supports you. Your systems are going to support your confidence, not make you question it. I mentioned earlier that you can grab my booked and automated mini course in the link below. But if you want to know if Paperbell is worth it for coaches, I do have a video all about that. So you can watch that next. It'll help you decide if Paperbell is the right fit for your coaching business, and therefore if my mini course is the right fit for you. I'll see you over there. Bye.